is this is a preview of what we're going to be doing in the next couple of weeks. So that's that side of the bus. That's what we're working on in the moment. This is just a short little video, and just to say that this is a patina bus, okay? And the owner of this bus doesn't want, there's some stuff, you know, it's got battle scars and he don't want it done, which is great. However, this is what we're going to be doing. Here's a preview. So you can see that there. There's a hole there, yeah? Now that's got to be done. That's the instruction we got. So that's going to be done. Now inside that, I'm sure, as I'll get into it in the video, when we cut it out, right? The floor comes up to that area. So the floor is going to be in there, and we're going to see what entanglements we come across. Coming up along here. Oh yeah, the bulge panel. Right? And the bulge panel has got holes in it. And along here on the outrigger, or the jacking point, it's got rot. Can you see that? Yeah. Now that's rot from the inside. So that's going to be completely gone. Yeah. We've got holes. Yeah. You can see there. And we've got this panel. The usual again. Which we've done on the other side, but I just wanted to... It's a little preview video, I'm going to call this. Right? So that's where we're going to be going at. And then, guys, we've got the jacking point, because them are the areas that go. And right enough, look. I'll just take that light off maybe. Yeah. So the jacking points needs attention, as you can see now. Right, that's all gone around there. And then if we move in a little bit, we've got this Swiss cheese. Can you see that? All those holes. Yeah. So the tub needs replacing. Yeah. And there's one of two ways to approach this tub repair. You buy the whole piece, full tub, yeah, which of course is all spot welded on here all the way along, or you get a cut from another bus, yeah, and of course there's going to be a cut, right? So we're going to be putting a cut, and that's the way we're going doing this, right? I've got a cut for this bus, yeah, and also when I get to video this, I'll show you differences that are present, right, in tubs that you buy and tubs that come off of early buses, etc. Differences in the pressings. There is differences, guys, yeah, in those pressings. So, yeah, anoraks, you know, or people that are really into these would be able to notice differences like that. So, just saying, you know, I have an identical replacement piece for this bus, so we're all good. That's what's coming up, guys. I thought I would just, you know, let you know, yeah, what's coming up, and that's where we're going next. If you've got a bus and you need to see repairs done like this, yeah, then click that like, subscribe, share. Also coming up, we're going to be doing some doors. There's some doors to do, etc. Yeah. So that's it from Joe's Rust Buckets for now. Just finishing up that other video, and I thought, well, I'll just do this little short run around, you know, to see what else is on the agenda, as it were. So there you have it, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to look forward, or you've got a bus and you need to, you know, And you don't have to have a bus actually. All you need to have is a weld set and a project. That's really all you need to be part of this community, because it's the same principle for all kinds of restorations. You know, you're still going to be hitting it around 60 amps for your 0.6 023 wire. And to be able to, you know, that's what I'm basically doing. I'm sharing my tips and tricks. Lifelong welder, that's what I do. I'm sharing my tips and tricks to make it easier, you know, to try and pass on the knowledge to you guys. If you've got a project and you're struggling with the welding side of it, because, you know, that's what I do, then please click like, subscribe, click notifications. That way you'll always be informed of my next venture or whatever it is I'm doing. I'm on this at the minute, this bus, and I'm going to be getting off this bus soon, and I'm going on to a 66 Beetle. At least that's what I think I'm doing anyway at the moment. Things change. I'm waiting back on some panels and bits and pieces. I have other projects. So I have gears, and I have splitties, and I have lots of stuff. Yeah? But one thing at a time. Get this out of the way. I think I've got another bug after this that I have to do a little bit of work to. I'll share that with you as well. I think it's a 66. So I just thought I'd jump in and get this little one done and show you where I'm going with this bus. Yeah, we're almost out of it. I think another 2 weeks, guys, 3 weeks maybe, and that's it done. Yeah. So and then we're going to go on a 66 Beetle for a very short period. There's a little bit of work to be finished off on it, I think. And that's what those doors are about over there. Yeah. So it's a friend of mine, and he wants to get his doors done. So I'll be doing a few videos on that. You know, because doors, you know, really expensive things, and to be able to repair them, be able to do it right, do a good job. Doesn't have to be 100%, but it needs to be good. That's what we aim for. Yeah. Excellence. It's another word for good in my book. Okay, guys, it was just a short one, like I said. Thanks for tuning in and seeing the update. I'll catch you all in the next one, yeah? Which is, or possibly is, this bus. Ciao. Okay. Hey, you happy? Hey? Oh, share. You want to share? Come on, share. You want to share, Busty? Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. Come on, share. I got your stone. I apologize, guys. This is what makes all the noise in the videos in the background. Yeah, him and his stone. He didn't used to share this, you know. He would never share it. But now he's getting a little bit older. Yeah, gentle soul.